Build wealth in your sleep with passive income. Want to make money while you sleep? Here's how. Passive income can transform your financial life, offering freedom and security. Imagine earning without constant effort, allowing you to pursue passions and live life on your terms. Let's dive in. Passive income is money earned with minimal ongoing effort. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income streams work independently. Benefits include financial stability, more free time, and the ability to focus on what you love. Financial freedom and stability are crucial. Passive income provides a safety net, cushioning against job loss or economic downturns. It allows you to live comfortably, pursue dreams, and retire early, knowing your finances are secure and growing. Real estate investments are a popular passive income source. By purchasing rental properties, you can earn monthly rent while property values appreciate. This dual benefit of income and asset growth can significantly enhance your wealth over time. Dividend stocks offer another excellent passive income stream. By investing in companies that pay dividends, you receive regular payouts. These dividends can be reinvested to compound growth or used as a steady income source, enhancing financial security. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to act as a mini bank, lending money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Platforms like Lending Club make it easy to diversify your investments, reducing risk while enjoying higher returns than traditional savings accounts. Creating an online course can turn your expertise into a constant revenue stream. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable enable you to reach a global audience, and once your course is live, it can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Writing an ebook is a fantastic way to share your knowledge while earning passive income. Self-publishing platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it simple to distribute your book worldwide, allowing you to profit from each sale indefinitely. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales made through your referral links. By integrating these links into your blog, social media, or YouTube channel, you can generate income without holding any inventory. High-yield savings accounts offer a secure way to grow your money with minimal effort. These accounts typically provide higher interest rates than standard savings accounts, allowing your savings to accumulate more quickly while maintaining easy access to your funds. Renting out a room on Airbnb can turn your unused space into a steady income stream. By providing a clean, comfortable environment and leveraging positive reviews, you can attract guests year-round, turning your home into a profitable asset. Creating a YouTube channel allows you to share your passion and expertise with a global audience. By consistently posting engaging content and growing your subscriber base, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and partnerships, all while doing what you love. Selling digital products like templates, printables, and ebooks offers a scalable income opportunity. Once created, these products can be sold infinitely without additional effort, providing a passive revenue stream that grows as your audience expands. Building an app can be a lucrative venture if it addresses a market need. After initial development, app sales and in-app purchases can generate continuous income, making the upfront investment in time and resources worthwhile for long-term gains. Earning royalties from creative works like music, books, or patents can provide a lifelong income stream. Each time your intellectual property is used or sold, you receive a payment, allowing you to benefit financially from your creativity and innovation over time. Creating a membership site allows you to offer exclusive content to paying members, ensuring a steady cash flow. By providing value such as tutorials or premium articles, you can build a loyal community that consistently supports your venture. Investing in index funds is a safe, long-term strategy that requires minimal oversight. By diversifying investments across various assets, index funds offer stable returns, making them a reliable choice for those looking to grow wealth passively over time. A dropshipping business lets you sell products online without holding inventory. By partnering with suppliers who ship directly to customers, you can focus on marketing and customer service, creating a profitable, hands-off income stream. Licensing your photos enables you to earn money from your creative work. By uploading your images to stock photography websites, you can generate passive income each time someone downloads or uses your pictures, turning your hobby into a revenue source. Starting a blog offers numerous monetization opportunities, including ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate links. By consistently creating valuable content and building an audience, you can transform your blog into a profitable platform that generates passive income. Using automation tools can transform a side hustle into a consistent passive income stream. Automated marketing, sales funnels, and customer service systems reduce manual effort, allowing you to focus on scaling. This efficiency boosts profitability and ensures steady cash flow. Purchasing an existing online business offers a shortcut to passive income. Established websites come with a built-in audience and revenue streams. By optimizing operations and leveraging existing customer bases, you can enhance profitability without starting from scratch. Developing a subscription-based software service, or SaaS, provides recurring revenue. Users pay regularly for access, creating a predictable income stream. Focus on solving specific problems for your target audience, ensuring consistent demand and long-term financial stability. Investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs, offers hassle-free property income. These trusts pool investors' money to purchase, manage, and sell real estate. They distribute earnings as dividends, providing a steady income without the complexities of direct property management. Starting a print-on-demand business eliminates inventory risks. Design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters, which are only produced upon order. This model minimizes upfront costs and allows for easy scalability, making it an attractive passive income option. Investing in bonds can provide stable returns with relatively low risk. Government and corporate bonds offer interest payments over a fixed period, making them ideal for conservative investors seeking consistent income. Diversifying your bond investments can enhance financial security. Creating a podcast allows you to share your expertise and passions while generating income. Monetize through sponsorships, advertisements, and listener donations. With engaging content and consistency, your podcast can attract a loyal audience and become a lucrative passive income stream. Selling an online course leverages your knowledge for profit. Develop comprehensive, valuable content and host it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once created, courses require minimal maintenance, offering ongoing income as students enroll and benefit from your expertise. Using cashback and reward apps turns everyday shopping into a passive income opportunity. Earn money back on purchases with minimal effort. These apps often offer bonuses and deals, maximizing your savings and providing a steady stream of extra funds over time. Starting a print-on-demand business allows you to sell custom merchandise without holding inventory. Design unique products, and when customers place orders, the items are printed and shipped by a third party. This model minimizes risk and maximizes creative freedom and profit. Investing in high-quality stocks can provide substantial passive income through dividends. By purchasing shares in reputable companies, you can enjoy regular dividend payments. This strategy leverages the power of compound interest and long-term market growth to build wealth. Renting out personal assets, such as a car or camera equipment, can create a steady income stream. Platforms like Turo or Fat Llama connect you with potential renters, ensuring your assets generate revenue even when you're not using them. Like, share, subscribe,